we will make chai.
We will boil water first in a pot. Now it's time for put some special chai masala made by my mom.
Didi put some ginger as well.
Add sugar as per your choice. I will put 2 spoons only.
Now add milk.
Our mom's special masala chai is ready.